The Sephora Favorites is getting more and more expensive every year, and this one is the new one for 2022. It retails for how much? I forgot. Okay, it retails for 150 euros. We have 24 products and the overall value is 414 euros. The value of the products also increases every year. My issue is that they always have too many mini products. I'm hoping that this year I didn't lose my money on this one. The box is definitely reusable. Oh my god, something smells amazing. Bubblegum. This is not the prettiest design for advent calendars that we have seen this year. For example, the MAC advent calendar is more festive and more unique. As you can see, we have all of the boxes in order. Day number 1. It sounds like a mini toner. Very specific, not even close. This is the Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, adaptogens and coconut water. I've tried it. Oh my god, I'm losing my voice. What's happening? I've tried another facial mist by Mario Badescu, something with rose water. That one was irritating my skin a lot. Let's sniff it. It doesn't smell a lot. That's nice. We have 59 milliliters. This is definitely a full size. Okay, we have started very well. And day number 2. Oh no, this is very lightweight. It sounds like a mini eye pencil. Whoops, I'm wrong. This is the Huda Beauty Life Liner Quick and Easy in the shade Very Vanta, and it is a precision liquid liner. I've tried this again. It's not easy to create the wing or even the line across your eyes. I brought mine here so I can show you the tip. We have a very thin brush tip applicator, but you really need to press it a lot of times on the eyes to create your eyeliner. I've tried to use it a few times. It always looks dry, and then I just apply on top of it another eyeliner because this looks terrible. This is the full size. I wish that it worked for me, but what can I do? So, moving on to day number 3. I think it is a liquid product. I'm going to say a makeup remover. Oh, no. And this is the Agustinus Bader, the face oil with TFC8. And we have 10 milliliters, so this is our first mini. We have a very bougie packaging. This is a very expensive brand of skincare. It smells like garlic. No. Yeah. Okay, that's weird. After that, day 4. This is heavy. I'm going to say a candle. Whoop, it's not. Oh, it smells so good. Let's see what it is. So this is the Gel Douche Solid Body Wash. It is vegan. Maybe the brand is unbottled. Yeah, that's it. It says it is for all skin types. Ooh, it is pretty. Yeah, it smells so good, but we don't have any information what's the scent. And I'm not a scent expert. It looks delicious and it is definitely a full size. Let's see day number 5. Oh boy. I think it is a perfume sample. Oh, it's not. I'm happy that I'm wrong. This is a cream lip stain by the brand Sephora in the shade 13 Marvelous Mauve. As it seems, we have a dusty mauvish shade. I love colors like this one. Oh, it's a little bit darker. You can use lip stains as a base for a lipstick if you want to make it more long lasting. It has a creamy formula. It doesn't fully dry. Up next, day number 6. It sounds like a sheet mask. Again wrong. And we have here the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Push Up Lashes Mascara in the shade Super Black. I have done a review of a lot of high-end mascaras that I'm going to have a link in the description box. And I did a wear test for this mascara as well, so you can see how it works on the lashes. This is definitely a mini product. And let's go to day number 7. It sounds like skincare. A face cream. Whoops. This is the Moroccan Oil Hydrating Shampoo for all hair types. I have tried the hydrating shampoo before. I find that it's not so hydrating for my hair because they are bleached. I prefer the Moisture Repair shampoo by Moroccan Oil, and I like pairing that one with the hydrating conditioner. That is the dream combination for my hair. We have here 70 milliliters. This is a mini hair product. Maybe I can use it 5 times. This is super mini. Here we have day number 8. I'm gonna say a mini eye pencil again. It sounds like a mini. And we have here the Too Faced Lip Injection Maximum Plump. It doesn't say a shade. I'm guessing that this one is a clear. It looks iridescent and holographic. I have tried the lip injection again. It is so painful. It gives a burning sensation that I don't like. It is one of my least favorite products to use on my lips. After that, door number 9. It's lightweight. A lipstick. I think it's a lipstick. This is the Breezy Cream Blush by the brand Tarte in the shade Peach Sunset. It is a very lightweight product, that's why I thought it is a lipstick. Okay, so where is my spatula? Here. Oh my god, this is the bubblegum scent. The blush. Okay, so I have here some of the product. Let's swatch it. Ooh, it reminds me a lot the Maybelline cream blushes. It has a soft matte finish and it is very spreadable, as you can see. I think this is a full size. It's super cute. Then we have day number 10. I think it is a lip balm. A creamy lip balm. This is by the brand Dermalogica. It is the Daily Microfoliant. What does that mean? Achieve brighter, smoother skin every day with this iconic exfoliating powder. I don't think it is good to exfoliate your skin every single day. Oh, and this is how it looks. I was expecting a more glamorous opening. Oh well, and you can mix it with water so you can create a paste. Moving on to day number 11. I'm going to say a serum. No, I wanted to say a lipstick. It's not a lipstick. This is a mascara by Rare Beauty and we have it in the shade black. I actually want to try more Rare Beauty products, and Sephora had a gift set of mini liquid blushes. I wanted that one so much, but it sold out in a day or two. We have a nice fiber brush. I'm gonna keep it for a Rare Beauty makeup video. It is one of the brands that I want to try more products of. Next, day 12. I'm going to say a serum. This is the Regenerating Mask with Prickly Pear Oil by the brand Christophe Robin. Oh no, this is for the hair. I hoped it was for the face. It is so small. I don't know how many times I can use this. Maybe 3. It smells like old makeup. This is not a very good advertisement for the brand. It is super tiny. This is so disappointing. And let's go now to the second row of the doors. We have here day number 13. I'm gonna say a toner. Ta-da! We have the Caffeine Solution 5% plus EGCG by the brand The Ordinary. This can reduce the appearance of eye contour, pigmentation and of puffiness. So do you use this only on the eyes? Oh, on the eye contour. Morning and evening. I don't usually use concentrated skincare ingredients because my skin gets irritated. Okay, so we have 30 milliliters. This is a full size. Day 14. I'm gonna say a face cream. And this is the Makeup Forever Hydra Booster Step 1 Primer. And this one is a 24-hour perfecting and softening base. We have 30 milliliters. I think this is the full size. And I'm curious to see this perfecting formula. We have, oops, I applied a lot. It smells like oranges or lemons. I told you, I'm not the scent expert. It's very spreadable. It is fast absorbing but not tightening. It gives a soft matte finish. It looks very natural. Okay, I'm excited for this product. Let's continue with door 15. I think this is a lipstick. Ta-tan! I am half right, half wrong. This is the lip and the cheek by the brand Milk Makeup in the shade Werk? I'm not sure. I think this is the full size because I have it again in a mini, and I'm going to swatch the mini. This is a very pretty shade to use on the lips and on the cheeks. It has a slightly balmy consistency that doesn't feel nice on the cheeks. Here we have day number 16. I think it's a lip balm, a black lip balm. We have here the Carbon Star Detoxifying Overnight Face Oil by the brand Pi. I want to see how it looks on my skin. It is completely transparent and also very spreadable. It smells like an oil. It contains 10 milliliters. Most likely this is not the full size, but it is so spreadable that you don't need so much product. Let's continue with door number 17. Even if I say something, am I gonna find it? No way! No! Another mini hair product! This is the Olaplex number 3 Hair Perfector. This is for all hair types and it can repair and strengthen. We have 30 milliliters. It is very small. The hair products make the advent calendar cheapish. I think I can use this 3 times on my hair. That's not nice. That's a no from me. Afterwards, day 18. Face cream. No, it's a face product. I was very close. Oops, we had more products. I almost put it back. We have here the Innisfree Pore Clearing Clay Mask with super volcanic clusters. This one contains 20 milliliters. It's not the full size, but you can use it at least 1 month and you can see if you like it. It doesn't smell. We also have these, and they are by the brand Patchology, the Flash Patch Rejuvenating Eye Gels and also the Restoring Night Eye Gels. So 3 products in one door. I can get used to that. And let's go to door 19. This is liquid. I'm gonna say... Did we have a toner? I'm gonna say a toner. Wrong again. And this is the Sephora Vitamin C and E Ultra Glow Serum to glow and strengthen your skin. And I'm actually using this every morning with my SPF. I'm just wondering if the vitamin C is effective on this bottle, because I remember that I have read somewhere if you have skincare with vitamin C, the packaging needs to be very dark so the sunlight doesn't affect the vitamin C. Am I right? Have you also read that? Day 20. That sounds like a full size. I'm gonna say again a toner. Nope. And this is the Evercalm Ultra Comforting Rescue Mask by the brand Ren Clean Skincare, and this is for sensitive skin. It is a full size. Nice. You can use this 3 times every week or anytime your skin is in need of urgent rescue. I really want to try this because we have very cold days in Berlin. Winter is here and my skin needs that extra hydration. Up next, day 21. Oh, maybe this is a lipstick? I didn't find anything. This is a Benefit, the Real Magnet Mascara, and this is a powerful lifting and lengthening mascara. I thought it was the brow setter because it has a very similar packaging. And let's see the applicator. We have plastic bristles and they are super short. I'm curious to use it because it says it is volumizing. And with this brush, I don't know if it's gonna be. Here we have day 22. Ooh, this is fully packed. I'm going to say a face cream. This is the scent. Maybe the scent transferred on the blush. This is the Ritual of Sakura candle by the brand Rituals. It smells incredible. So nice. This year I didn't get the Rituals Advent Calendar because their products are drying my skin. This looks like a mini. I'm not sure if they have a full size, so I'm gonna let you know here. Let's see door number 23 now. I'm going to say a lipstick, a box. Inside the box. Inception. So this is the Eau de Parfum Fame by the brand Paco Rabanne. I really want to smell this one. Oh my god, it's so cute. It is like a robot. Adorable. Oh, I would prefer if it was a spray. It smells so nice. And do we have the notes here? What do we smell? No. So I'm going to add them on the screen for you to read. It doesn't say how many milliliters we have here. It looks like a mini. At least this is a mini product and not the little perfume samples that you can get for free with your order. Let's continue with Dot 24. I'm going to say again a lipstick. I think this is a Natasha Denona product because their packaging is always this brown box. Oh my god, it's a tiny palette. This is the Natasha Denona Retro palette. Oh, it is tiny. We also had in last year's Sephora Favorites Advent Calendar a mini palette, and it's a nice way to try the formula, and eyeshadows can last 2 to 3 years, maybe 4 years if you use them with clean brushes. It's not so bad that this product is mini. This is a very nice combination for an everyday look. You can also use this darker eyeshadow on the eyelid to create a darker smoky eye look. We have a lot of minis, and the mini hair products are ruining the image of the advent calendar. I'm gonna give it 4 stars, and you can also watch this video here.